Okay, we're upstairs. Let's have a quick look around Allianz Stadium. Wow. Well, this area of more parks, Centennial Parks, is actually quite accessible. Okay. The tiles or the brickwork though on the ground are a little bit hard to navigate. I'm just lucky that I use a batec-mobility. If it was a manual wheelchair and you had lower function in the upper arms, you would probably have a little bit of difficulty. But so we have the NRL Centre, also at Moore Park. I'll find the exact name of this place shortly. Let's go here. Sydney Football Stadium. Okay, so that's the Allianz Stadium. Okay, there's alright, let's keep going. Messenger. So it looks like they're building something over there as well. Reg Gasnier. Over there. Good old Sydney. Wherever possible, they're developing something. Superstore, what's that? Football jersey shop, is it? Yeah. Okay, New South Wales Rugby League. The state of origin. We're going down now adjacent to Moore Park Road. So this is the home of the Sydney Roosters. Okay, I thought it was somebody else, somewhere else. Sydney Roosters.